Every few decades, there's a window of opportunity that's so massive that it changes entire industries. In the 1990s, it was the rise of the internet. In the early 2000s, it was social media. And today, in 2026, that window of opportunity is in publishing, specifically self-publishing with AI. The truth is, there's never been a better time in history to publish your own books. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why 2026 is the best year yet to get started. We'll talk about how AI has advanced, how the tools are now more powerful and affordable than they've ever been, and how this shift has created an opportunity for everyday authors to build real income streams without gatekeepers. So part 1, the evolution of AI. Let's start with the obvious. AI today is not the same AI we had 2 years ago. Back in 2023 or even in 2024, AI can generate text, but it was often clunky, repetitive, and required heavy editing. Artwork looked decent, but sometimes it had strange flaws, too many fingers, awkward faces, or just unnatural details. Fast forward to 2026, and AI has matured rapidly. The newest models don't just spit out words. They write with structure, style, and coherence. They understand genre conventions. They mimic tone, and they can build content that truly feels human. When it comes to artwork, we've moved from awkward images to cinematic level cover art. You can now generate a Netflix quality book cover from a single prompt, something that used to cost hundreds of dollars from a professional designer. This evolution means AI is no longer a gimmick. It's a professional grade tool set for authors. Now part 2, why covers are no longer a barrier. One of the biggest obstacles for self-publishers has always been the book cover. You can write the best book in the world, but if your cover looks amateur, no one will click on it. In the past, you had to hire a designer or pay for stock images. Today, AI can generate cover art that looks like it belongs on the bestseller list. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and others are producing cinematic, vivid, and detailed designs for free or for the fraction of a cost of hiring someone. And if you want even more customization, you can pull those images into Canva or Photoshop and personally fine-tune them. This means anyone, regardless of budget, can now produce professional clickable covers. The playing field has never been this level before. Now part 3, smarter, faster manuscripts. So let's talk about the actual writing. AI used to be seen as sloppy, something that would crank out generic filler content. That's no longer the case. In 2026, AI can help you. Number 1, build professional detailed outlines in minutes. Number 2, generate polished drafts section by section, tailored to your audience. Suggest examples, stories, and even research citations to add credibility. And here's the key. These tools aren't replacing you. They're accelerating you. With the right prompts, you can produce books 5 to 10 times faster without ever sacrificing quality. That means you could publish more books, test more ideas, and create more opportunities for success. Something that was simply not possible before AI. Now part 4, tools are cheaper, easier, and more accessible. In the early days of AI, tools were buggy, expensive, and complicated. You needed technical skills just to get them working. Now, tools are easier than ever. Platforms like Canva, Grammarly, WordTune, and of course ChatGPT are user-friendly and incredibly affordable. Many are completely free. And the paid plans are cheaper than what authors used to pay for cover design alone. You no longer need a tech background or a huge budget. Then you could leverage AI to publish books. This accessibility is why 2026 is such a golden year. The barriers are gone. The costs are down. The tools are intuitive. All that's left is your willingness to take action. So part 5, why timing matters. Here's something a lot of people don't think about. Timing. Right now in 2026, the opportunity is wide open. Readers are more open to AI-assisted content than ever before. As long as it delivers real value though. Amazon is still hungry for new content, especially in niches that are underserved. But this won't last forever. Just like YouTube in 2008 or Kindle Direct Publishing in 2012, the early adopters had a massive advantage. By 2028 or 2029, the competition will be fierce. Covers will all look great, manuscripts will all be abundant, and the marketplace will be more crowded. That's why 2026 is the sweet spot. The tools are advanced enough to be truly professional, but the space is still open enough that new authors can get a piece of the pie and establish themselves before the floodgates open. Now part 6, building a publishing empire. The opportunity isn't just publishing one book. It's building a system. AI makes it possible to go from one manuscript to multiple multiple income streams: Kindle, paperback, hardcover, audiobook, translations, bundles, even courses. In the past, this kind of publishing empire took years and a massive budget. Today, with AI, you can start stacking income streams from a single manuscript in under 24 hours. And that's what makes 2026 so special. You're not just writing a book, you're building assets that can pay you for years to come. 2026 is the best year ever to start self-publishing with AI because, number one, AI tools are more advanced than ever, producing professional manuscripts and cinematic covers. Number two, the cost of publishing has dropped dramatically with free and affordable tools at your fingertips. Number three, the process is easier and faster, allowing anyone to create books without technical skills. And number four, most importantly, the timing is perfect. The space is still wide open, and those who take action now will be the ones dominating the entire market in a few years. So if you're serious about starting, don't wait. In my complete course, I break down the entire process step by step, from creating your manuscript with AI to formatting, designing covers, uploading the KDP, and turning one book into more than 15 streams of income. The link is below if you're ready to get started. So 2026 is the year of opportunity. The only question is, will you take advantage of it? That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.